Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another video from me and my name is Agnes Asantua. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made spring twist hair out of normal braiding hair, and then I use this spring twist hair to do this nice butterfly locks you see here, and I'm going to show you that in another video. So you might want to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on that video when I upload it. Okay, so let's get right into today's video. So first you are going to divide your normal braiding hair into 3 equal sections, and then you cut the sections. But we don't want the blunt ends, so we are going to feather out the blunt ends, and this is one way by which you can feather out the blunt ends. Okay, I'm going to show you another way by which you can feather out the blunt ends. Some people prefer it this way, other people prefer it the other way. Just do what works for you. Okay, just go on ahead and add pomade to give it a shine look. You lifted me up. I love you, Lord. I love you, Lord. Ooh. When I stepped into the miry clay, Lord, you still clean me up. So there's the other way by which you can feather out the blunt ends. Okay, as I said earlier, some people prefer it this way, some people also prefer it the other way. But to give you the same results, just do what works for you. So these are some kebab sticks I got from the market, and these sticks cost me just 2 Ghana cedis. So first you're going to loop the braiding hair around the kebab stick. So first twist the middle part of the braiding hair and then loop it around the kebab stick, the very latter part, the very end of the kebab stick. And then you twist the braiding hair and turn it around the kebab stick. So you twist and turn, you twist and turn. This is very easy and everyone can do this. Everyone. And it's just so not difficult, and it's not time wasting too. And I used just 1 pack of braiding hair, and that cost me like about $2. Okay, and it gave me the same result as the normal spring twist hair you buy from outside, which costs more than $2 per pack, and you're going to use more than 1 pack for your hair. So if you want to just save your money, or if you're on budget, you can do it this way. It's so easy and you're going to get the same result, and it's pretty fast. See, it came out beautifully. So because the barbecue steak was very long, I did 2 twists on 1 stick. So I had 32 sticks in all, giving me 64 spring twists in total, and that was enough to give me that beautiful butterfly locks.
Yeah, boy.
Very beautiful, very pretty. So you take your scissors and cut out the extra hair strands around the twist. Okay, 32 sticks in all, giving me 64 spring twists in total. So then you pour hot water over the twist. Okay, and then you add in any conditioner of your choice and let it sit in the hot water for some few minutes. But because these barbecue sticks were long, and so I flipped it around so that all the twists can have a taste of the hot water. Let's say twist can have a few of the hot water. So then you dry it and leave it to air dry overnight. So after it had air dried overnight, you then go on ahead and remove it from the barbecue sticks. This is very beautiful and springy. So then you can use this twist for anything you want, your normal spring twist, or then full locks, butterfly locks, distressful locks, and the likes. Go on ahead and style your hair. So to use this, you are going to open up the twist, okay? So you loop it around the barbecue sticks. So this tiny hole, I'm going to show you that. This tiny hole, so you just open up the twist by using that tiny hole, okay? And voila, there you go. So this is the end of the video. I'm going to show you how I use this spring twist for my butterfly locks, okay? So kindly subscribe to my channel, help me get to 1K subscribers, support your girl, okay? Share it to your friends, your families, your enemies, your loved ones, share it to everybody you know, and tell them to subscribe to my channel.